Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening to the weekly spread and committing to a structure. Decide vertical columns or horizontal blocks for your week. Sketch priority boxes and a small habit tracker because visual consistency reduces decision fatigue. Once done, mark a half to one page for notes and packing lists. Make sure to place tab markers on the edge for quick access. Use a 0.5 pen for writing and a highlighter to flag deadlines. This speeds scanning and keeps you in control. Next, populate each day with time blocks and tasks so you transform empty boxes into an actionable plan. Block meetings and focused work in 30 to 90-minute chunks. This prevents overload. Add tasks under the day header and keep a simple mark system: X for done, / for partial, and greater than for migrated, because consistent symbols speed review. Once complete, highlight the top 1 to 3 priorities and assign due dates or times. This ensures you tackle what matters first. Finally, close the loop with a short weekly review. Check off completed tasks, migrate unfinished items, and summarize lessons in the notes area so you learn and improve. Once done, set up the next week's framework using tabs and copy over only prioritized tasks. This conserves space. If things feel cluttered, condense entries, limit daily tasks to 3, and use symbols to reduce words. This troubleshooting tip prevents overwhelm and keeps your Hobonichi Cousin weekly pages usable and clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.